Oh, got one.
Already? Perch?
Perch. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That's a perch.
Oh my god.
It was a perch though.
One shot. Nothing. I can't do anything. This is useless. Come on, useless. You need like a piece of something.
Just a grass. Put a grass.
Oh,
Oh, the bird.
that's not a normal bird.
That's a baby bird.
That's not a normal.
No, the baby with the mommy.
Oh no, he can't get back.
He can't get back up.
Save him.
No, take this. Save him. Take his.
Oh no, he can't get back up. Save. Oh, Daddy, it's okay, sir. Oh, he could fly, right?
Yep.
Aww.
Go. Let him. The mom is there. Let him.
Oh no, you can take him.
Hopefully the parents come back and get this bird.
Crazy.
It's a big one, see? Told you. Yeah.
Two.
Yeah.
Half. This guy's fat.
Two.
Two's
It's a two. Well, this is fat though.
Yeah, his belly.
It's a 2 pounder. Super fat.
Like 2/4.
No.
Oh wow. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. Big boy. Big boy. Yes, that guy. Boy.
That guy's out. You want a picture with it? 2 pounder. Wow, super fat. This guy already got caught before.
Oh yeah. Look.
Yeah. By me, maybe?
Same again? No, he's fatter.
Okay.
Caught a large.
Stand here so we can take a picture.
Oh, sure.
Big one.
Let's go back to the...
Big one. Ah. Big one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another 2 pounder. Yes. Let's go, man. Let's go. Should we throw it?
I wanna...
What, release on the bottom?
Yes.
Okay. Should we take picture for?
Okay.
You hold it. You hold it.
Wait, what?
Selfie? Okay. Selfie.
Not too far, Liana. Only cheese. Cheese.
Okay, go. Woo! Yes. Yes. 7 down. Yo, you don't fish again. Fish on. Fish on. yeah. You don't fish on again.
Hello, Daddy.
Look, there's a fish.
Wow.
Another one.
He looks like the same.
No, there's a smaller one. The other one was bigger.
Yeah, but he looks.
It's a 1 pounder thing. 1 pounder. What, this is what, 8 fish for me? 8 fish.
That's
Let's
a
go.
lot. Daddy, going fishing
Woo!
again.
Woo!
Daddy, going fishing.
Well, it's going down. It's going down.
Oh, ah, my eyes.
Wow.
It landed on the food, on the cross. What is it? They're like,
Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. What is this guy? It's like what, 2?
not gonna be the same.
Oh, yo, it's a good one. 3, 2, 2, at least
That's
2.
a giant.
That's a 2 at least.
Oh, Daddy, don't lose it. It's beautiful. This dude is beautiful. This dude is beautiful.
Yo, watch out.
This is biggest from the day today. Right?
You think?
Huh?
I don't know.
This is biggest of the day.
Oh my god.
This is biggest of
Yes.
Wait, this has been caught a lot of times.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Daddy, this is biggest of the day.
You think?
No, I'm not.
Oh,
We got
bucket.
destroyed.
Bucket mouth, man. That's a big fish.
They've caught hair.
Okay, take a picture. Guys, let's take a picture. Yeah, I can't.
Cheers.
Okay.
Yeah, they're not gonna let you go. Yeah, they're not.
How do you know? I'm gonna.
Just release it. What you wanna do? Just release it.
Fine.